Hey everyone, this is Nate from Nate's English here in Kameoka, Japan. Today we're going to talk about 4 very similar phrases. Made of, made with, made from, and made out of. So first, we say something is made of a certain material. So it's similar to composed of. So for example, some piano keys are made of ivory. Or this cabinet is made of mahogany. On the other hand, made with we use to list ingredients in foods or drinks. So for example here, the Japanese dish nikujaga is made with beef, potatoes, and onions. Alright, moving on to made from. We use this phrase when something changes form from one thing to another. So for example, glass is made from sand, or butter is made from milk. So in both cases, the original material has completely changed its form. Made out of, we usually use to talk about the process of manufacturing something. So for example, this furniture is made out of old pallets. Or they made shelters out of old tires. Alright, well, I hope that this has cleared up any confusion you might have had about these 4 very similar phrases. If you found this video useful, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel, and when you do that, make sure to turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of the new videos when they come out. If you have any questions, feel free to put those in the comments. Also, if you want to try to make any of your own example sentences, put those in the comments as well, and I can check those for you. Alright, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.